لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد.
Viewers, we have reached Mina from Muzdalifa. To take stones to throw at Jamrat from Mina is proved by Hadith number 3060 of Sunan Nisai and is Sunnah. There is no harm if someone wants to take stones from Muzdalifa. Some pilgrims take stones and wash them first. This act has no religious value. Avoid it. Try not to take stones which have already been used to hit Jamrat. Stones should be of chickpea size, neither too big nor too small. Viewers, today is 10th Zulhijjah and we are in Mina. Today is Yamun Nahar, the day of sacrification. First, you will throw stones at Jamrai Uqba, the big devil. This will be done from the sunrise till the time of Zawal. 7 pebbles will be thrown to hit it. This ritual is obligatory. The Holy Prophet said these words while hurling stones at Jamrai Uqba. O people, learn the rituals of pilgrims from me.